Welcome to Cooking with Bree and Fiona,
Oh,
Part 2.
my foot.
Something just happened.
Shit. No, don't do it.
It is 1:15 a.m. Fiona got the munchies for rice.
Let's go find rice.
Rice.
Do you think we should make something like with it? Like,
Yeah, what can we make with it?
I made salad.
Okay. Where is this salad you talk about?
Do you think? Or is that like not what you're supposed to use with it?
With rice, you're supposed to have like...
Sushi?
Do you have sushi?
No.
No, this isn't that kind of rice, you dumbass. This is like...
Okay.
This is rice like spicy, like with spices.
So
You
like,
with
like you need curry and shit?
You eat this with like chicken and like a side dish. It's not rice,
Nope.
like sushi rice, like...
West Indian?
This is Bree and Fiona signing off, because clearly we suck at this TV
You
show.
suck. Fuck you.